Welcome to Hommie, the ultimate solution for your sunroom and 3-season room needs. Factory direct and customized just for you. Ever wondered what makes a sunroom so special? It's an extension of your home, with large windows that let in natural light all year round. Perfect for enjoying every season from the comfort of indoors. Now, what about a 3-season room? It's designed for spring, summer, and fall, giving you a cozy space to enjoy the outdoors without the bugs. It's a great way to add extra living space without the cost of a full sunroom. With Hommie, you get factory direct pricing and customization, which means more value for your money. We manufacture and ship directly to your door. All you need to do is hire local workers for installation. Easy, right? Transform your home with Hommie today. Visit our website to learn more and get started on your dream sunroom or 3-season room. Hommie, making outdoor living affordable and enjoyable.